Hello, welcome. At syempre, kasama rin po natin ang mahuhusay ng mga estudyante ng pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Mga taginas po ay kasali dito sa ating film festival. And of course, we have people from Letran.
Oh God. Yeah. Oh my God, June Turbo. Okay, and our esteemed judges. Si Corinne, Bianca, Monster, and God, here it is. Yeah, Dodo Dayaw, and of course, our special import, and Neil Gasa, and our special import from the Busan International Film Festival, who was awarded the keys to the city by the mayor yesterday. Mr. Park Sung-ho. Let's give him a big hand. Mahaba yung speech ko, pero hindi ko na siya gagawin, folks, kasi Philippine cinema and the city of Manila is a long one. Ever since the time of Manuel Silos, Lino Broca, Ishmael Bernal, all through the decades that we had this digital revolution with the films by Edong Roy, Eric Mati, Wayne Baltasar, Treb Monteas, and of course, the film that made Cinemalaya what it is and jump-started this digital revolution, ang pagdadalaga ni Maximo Oliveros. Congratulations, Cinemalaya, for 20 years. No? But tonight, what's important is we have 12 new love letters to the city of Manila from 4 amazing, fierce directors and 8 new voices that will add to the multifaceted story which is the city of Manila. So all I can say, folks, is maraming salamat for supporting this festival. Mayor, huwag kayong magsasawa sa amin, ha? And pasensya na, I keep on forgetting names. I'm 70 years old, but I can't help it. Aabot din kayo sa edad ko. And thank you to all our sponsors. I think that's it. All I want you to do is just sit back, enjoy, and look around. Maybe yung katabi nyo ay transparent, pero at least you'll be having a good time. Thank you very much, everybody.
Honorable Mayor Hani Lamunapangan, Department of Tourism, Culture and Arts, Director Charlie Dungo, sa ating Festival Director, Mr. Ed Capagnot, mga future directors na sina Jose Lorenzo Pepe Jocno, Dwayne Baltasar, Sigrid Bernardo, JP Haba, ang ating screening committee, Bianca Balbuena, Noah Tonga, Wango Gallaga, Maki Galvez, Dito Camara, at sa ating international Park Sung-ho, at kay Neil Dasa. Sa mga miyembro ng organizing executives, mga piling panauhin, mga estudyante at mga miyembro ng iba't ibang universidad at kolehiyo, isang mapagpalang gabi po sa ating lahat. Nais po namin iabot ang aming taus-pusong pasasalamat sa lahat ng lumahok at nagpasa ng kani-kanilang mga interes ng mga entries sa pasimula ng The Manila Film Festival sa taong ito. Ang amin din pong pasasalamat sa ating mga kaagapay para sa taong ito, Creative Den, Nara Post Production Studios, Robinson Movie World, RSVP Film Studios, The Manila Hotel, at Metro Photo Brands, at kay City Ad Bernian, Congressman Joel Chua, Congressman Erwin Cheng, the Art District. Sa inyong walang umpay na suporta, hindi po magiging posible ang proyektong ito kung hindi po sa inyong tulong. Ni Mayor Hani Laguna, sabihin mo kay Direct Charlie Dungo, yun, meron na tayong ikalawang The Manila Film Festival ngayon. At ating nasaksiyan ang muling pagbabalik nito sa ating lungsod. At sa ikalawang edisyon nito, layunin pa rin po natin na ipagpatuloy ang sinimulan ng adhikain ni former Mayor Antonio Villegas na naglalayong bigyang buhay ang sining, partikular na sa larangan ng cinematography sa lungsod ng Maynila. Bilang Kapitolyo ng Bansa, ating pong sinisikap na panatilihing buhay at patuloy na pagyamanin ang kasaysayang sining, kultura at tradisyon sa ating minamahal na lungsod. Alinsunod dito, sinisikap po ng lungsod sa pangunguna ni Mayor Annie Lacuna Pangan na ibalik ang programa at proyektong naglalayong pausbungin ang talento ng ating mga kabataan. Kasama rin po sa ating hangarin ang bigyang oportunidad ang bawat kabataan, hindi lamang sa ating lungsod, na ipakita ang kanilang angking galing, talento, pagkamalikhain sa larangan ng pelikula. Sa ating pong 8 finalists, palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili. Sa inabahaba ng inyong posisyon at sa lahat ng hirap at pagod na inyong kinaharap, ay nandirito na rin kayo sa wakas. Mapapanood na ng madlang bayan ang inyong mga pelikula. Maging proud kayo sa inyong mga sarili dahil tunay na hindi biro ang paggawa ng isang pelikula.
Magandang gabi, a pleasant evening to all of you, to the city officials, our friends from Trimedia, movie enthusiasts, and most especially to each and every individual who took part in the realization of the creative and artistic minds of our young students, who I know will be the future of the Philippine cinema. Today is the day. We would now be witnessing a spectacle right before our very eyes, the products of the painstaking labors of love of all the participating films in our Manila Film Fest 2024. From 100 entries submitted by student filmmakers nationwide, the elite screening committee selected 8. And from the 8 best entries, we ensure that they will receive sufficient support from the city government as they have undergone a series of workshops to guarantee that these young filmmakers' creative juice will come out and give us the best films they can produce. The Manila Film Festival has shown great influence on how people look at our city as they highlight our culture, places, and people. The short films that we are about to watch characterize Manila as the city of infinite possibilities and 1,000 tales. Aside from our natural charm as a place rich in history, we are also the melting pot of Philippine arts and culture, making us the rightful venue of a festival representing the aspirations and dreams of every Filipino. These official entries artistically represent the multitude of life experiences we had and how the city left an indelible mark on us. The films also display the students' craftsmanship and the capability to inject relevant issues of society that would stimulate one's social consciousness. But more than anything else, these are all for us to enjoy. These motion pictures likewise possess the entertainment value that we also seek as we excitingly watch each and every scene. These stories of laughter, struggles, triumphs, love, and even grief will pierce our hearts and emotions. So let us all sit back, relax, and be hooked on these films. Our 453rd Araw ng Maynila celebrations will never be complete without these cultural treats for our Manileños from our Manileños in particular and Filipinos in general. Ladies and gentlemen, the Manila Film Festival 2024 will be our follow-through as we aim forward to achieve the magnificent Manila that each one of us deserves. We will utilize the festival as our potent tool to show the world our uniqueness, creativity, and resilience. That despite of the modern day challenges of an urban milieu, we will continue to live as the country's creative hub as we make waves towards progress and development. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang The Manila Film Festival 2024.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin, Mayora Hani Lacuna Pangan. And before we begin the screening of the first batch of short films,